Shaping and chaining are two things that you use to help a child learn skills that they are not already doing, and people kind of get them confused. Prompting is part of it, but shaping is one thing, chaining is another thing. Shaping is developing a new behavior by reinforcing closer approximations. They don't already have that end one behavior that you want them to do. You have to shape it to get there. This is pretty common with language when we're using speech, and maybe they have an approximation of what they say. In the beginning, you accept it, right? And you reinforce them because you want them talking. You want them to know that it's good to talk. But once they're pretty consistent, then you require the next level in order for them to get that thing so that you can shape that speech that they are doing. Prompting is used during shaping to teach that next level of response. But prompting in and of itself is not shaping. Okay, people get really confused and they kind of interchange those words. You use prompting to get an existing behavior under the control of an instruction, and that is not shaping. Okay, so that's just there to help yourselves with terminology and remembering what you're doing in the moment that you're working on something. So you're using it to teach a single behavior that a child is not yet able to do. Chaining is a whole set of behaviors that lead to a culmination, a result. Brushing teeth, washing hands, getting your backpack ready. There's a whole bunch of behaviors. One naturally leads to the next. So there's like this set of behaviors that you couldn't be brushing your teeth if before that you didn't get out your toothbrush and your toothpaste, put the toothpaste on there, so that they naturally lead to the next step. And so that's not one behavior, that's a whole bunch of behaviors. And we call that chaining, because really the one behavior is a prompt for the next one. So it should be easier for them to know what to do next if they've accomplished those ones that they've done before.